What's up, Dough Chasers? My name is Jason White, creator of the Black Lettuce Budget Planner. Today, we're going to be talking about how to create a goal-fulfilling machine. And what is that machine? That's your budget. But in order for us to get there, we have to do a couple things first so we can build a solid foundation. Because at the end of the day, in order for you to be successful at creating a goal-fulfilling machine, which is your budget, you need to have a foundation which you can build upon. And in order for us to build upon that, we have to strengthen it. And how we strengthen our foundation is we need to create a list of all of our expenses. So I need you to grab some paper, I need you to grab a pen, and I need you to start working on creating a list of all of your expenses. Next, what I need you to do is I need you to review the last 2 months of your bank statements and credit card statements. This is going to share with us those tricky areas in which we spend money, but we forget that we made that purchase. This is going to let us know where are we spending our money on outside of our bank account. And then lastly, I need you to calculate your spending. And what I mean by spending is I'm talking about your personal spending, in which how much money are you spending on takeout? How much money are you spending on the movies? How much money are you spending on the mall? How much money are you spending on your side chick? I don't know, whatever the situation is, but what I need you to do is I need you to create a list of your bills, because this is going to let us know all of your fixed expenses. Every month you have a list of expenses that won't change. We need to have an idea of what these fixed expenses are, because it's going to let us know if you're wasting money on cable that you don't watch, if you're wasting money on the Netflix that you never watch. It's going to let us know what fixed expenses that we have in our budget that we can actually get rid of. Next, I need you to review your bank statements, the last 2 months, and also your credit card statements, because this is going to give us an idea of where are we spending money outside of our fixed expenses. And then lastly, what I need you to do is I need you to calculate all of your personal spending, okay? This is going to let us know where are we wasteful with our dollars. The reason all of this is important, because what we need to do in order to create a budget that is going to produce the goals that we want, we have to align these things to our goal. And in order for you to reach your goal, your budget has to be aligned to that goal, meaning that your budget has to make it possible for you to reach that goal. If you want to get rid of debt, then your goal has to allow you the funds to do so. In order for us to figure out what we can do with our money, we first have to get an understanding of what we have always done so that we can make a change, right? And in order for you to make the change, you have to list that out, create a list of all your fixed expenses, review your bank statements and your credit card statements, and list out those expenses where you're spending extra money, and also figure out where you're spending wasteful money so that we can align our finances to our goal, which will help our budget create the results that we want. So if you want to eliminate debt, build an emergency fund, save for a vacation, get ready for retirement, whatever the situation is, you need to make sure that your budget is aligned to that goal. And in order for you to do that, the first step is to figure out where we are already spending our money so we know where to make a change. So that's what I want you to do. I want you to list out all of your expenses. Okay, I want you to figure out where your money is going already, because the budget is a way for us to figure out how we are spending our money, right? And once we figure out how we're spending our money, we can manipulate that budget to help us reach our goals. First step, list out your expenses, figure that out, and then we're going to talk about what to do next once you have that information. To help you out, I created something called the Black Lettuce Budget Planner. In this planner, we have tools, templates, trackers that allow you to organize everything in one place. If you're interested in getting your hands on the Black Lettuce Budget Planner, please go to www.blacklettuce.com. Get your hands on this budget planner. Everything that I'm teaching you is included in this planner, and you can organize it, keep track of it all in one place. blacklettuce.com. Please like this video, share in the comments if you are working on your budget, if this is motivating you to work on your budget. Please give me some feedback, and also subscribe to the channel so we can stick together and I can continue to help you get your finances in order. Again, my name is Jason White. I'll see you in the next video. I'm out.